Today, we took a quick drive to Canberra, just 3 hours from our place. Here's our experience and maybe you'll find something interesting for your next trip. Our first stop was the Partridge VC rest area. We had a quick breakfast here and stretched our legs before continuing. Next, we visited the Rewa Lookout at Lake George. This was our first time seeing the lake with water. Usually, it's dry when we pass by. We were craving Filipino food, so we stopped by Lolo and Lola restaurant. We then visited the Australian War Memorial Museum. It's a place that brings history to life, and even though Callie is too young to understand, we wanted her to experience it visually. Our final stop was the Parliament House, where we walked through the grand halls and soaked in the atmosphere. We highly recommend these places if you're visiting Canberra. Do you have other must-visit spots?